Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect TickMill to MetaTrader 5. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple. First of all, create yourselves an account. So we will do this real quick. So if you go right here to try a demo, you can fill in right here no, and then right here fill in your first name, last name, email address. Then fill in right here your phone number, select platform MT5, account type classic, retail is fine. Select right here your leverage, then fill in right here your deposit money, and then fill in right here the currency. Then you do check mark this, open demo account, and then if you go right now to your email address, they send you right here this. I will show you exactly. Right now, if you click right here on trade on WebTrader, you go to the WebTrader, but you need right here your demo account number and your demo account password. Because right now, if you go to TickMill again, and we go to trading and select MetaTrader 5, we can download MetaTrader 5 right here by clicking here on Windows. So click right here on Windows, click right here on the setup, and then right now select yes. Then we select right here next. And then right now he is downloading the MetaTrader 5 for TickMill. Then right there the download is done. We select right here finish. And then right now he's automatically open the MetaTrader 5. Then we select this and do next. And now we click here on connect with an existing trade account. And now we go right here to the email. So I put my email real quick here on my left screen. And then we fill in right here our password. And yeah, hopefully we can copy paste this. Yeah, that works. Then we do finish. And there we are. Now we can see right here the charts. Those are working. And yeah, now we connected TickMill to MetaTrader 5. So if you have any questions, please comment it down below. This is how you can connect TickMill to MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.